The Southern Pacific Locomotive is now coming to the Wigwag Railroad crossing over there. There goes the horn. There goes the Southern Pacific. Here's the Wigwag Railroad crossing over here. Here's the Wigwag Railroad crossing signal over here. You can see that there is a red signal over there. Over there. These are the trucks over there that the trolleys run on. You can see some historic rail cars over there. Yes? Check out the train?
Over there too?
Oh yeah.